It's all right. You tell him.
How many children? One, two.
This one.
This one.
Monkeys on the rooftop. Gibbons up on it. Unbelievable. Urban monkey.